Welcome to another episode of CryptoMinder, guys. Today we'll be analyzing what is happening regarding the Ethereum price. We are gonna dive into the charts. We are gonna be explaining what is happening exactly right here, right now. We are gonna be also pointing at these targets where most of the people are missing, and of course we are gonna be checking out if Ethereum is for another crazy move, what's the downside or not, if something has to break for things to look massively oversold for one more time for the Ethereum price, or if the Ethereum price is gonna actually retrace and go all the way up to over 2000, 2200 level. Let's go directly to the chart to find out what we have right there. And of course, if you like the content that we are sharing, don't forget to scroll down, smash this like button, subscribe to the channel, press the bell button, cost you nothing from your time. It's just a click away to make us happy, and of course make us continue this very nice content we are sharing every time with you, to inform you due to the fact that we have very nice moves in the prices, and of course the Bitcoin and the Ethereum. And inside the Telegram group, a whole team, batch of people working behind with the CryptoMinder Academy and the CryptoMinder Telegram group and Discord channel. You can find everything right there. You can go join and of course get this very nice free content we are sharing. You can find everything in the pinned comment section down below. So let's go directly to the chart to find out what we have right there. Let's take the things from the beginning and let's analyze what is happening in the big picture for the Ethereum price right here, right now. So as far as you see, bottom RSI first time after so long, guys. You see, like the last time was back in 2018 for the Ethereum price. The thing we are watching is, of course, in the closer time frames. Let's go to the weekly chart. As far as you can see right here, what we have is that I was pointing at the measurement prices that we were watching after we had the first pump. So like the first pump right here, you see that this whole move has been accomplished with approximately 180% up, 130% up, 228, 140, and we see that for one more time we have 140%. This is a pretty much normal move for the Ethereum moving to the upside. So of course we are going to be actually deleting all of this stuff to check what is happening right now if we are in a good position. Now, as far as you can see, this was the previous all-time high. We came exactly to pass this, okay, the previous time here with a very nice confirmation all the way up move. Now, this is major. This is major because we are going to be also checking out something else. The money flow, as far as you can see, it start curving right here. Back 2019, retraced, and of course gave us technically the last chance for the Ethereum price to buy was nearby here. And what I see also at this point is that we are curving as well for one more time. This is the money flow on the red, is curving up. Now we have also the VWAPs are on the upside. This is something that tells that this move is pretty much done, the most likely to happen. So we'll see another curve. Now, as far as we see, we have to check out what is going to be the next move in case we are going to be pointing towards the downside to most likely confirm the next move. So if RSI, as it shows right here in the weekly, start curving right now, the most likely to happen is that we'll come back to retest this level, the 36 level for the RSI. And of course, what we are going to be pointing at is this insane area that we have right here. As far as you can see, the head and shoulder pattern, after we have been watching what happened in this bull market, break towards the downside, it technically confirmed the whole prices, that everything that we have been expecting. Pretty close to the price target, 900. Our price target was down to the approximately 780, but however this came to the approximately 900. However, we shopped a lot of Ethereum back in here. So what we are going to be pointing at right now is this crazy area. So the area of the 1590 to the 1400 1005 is what we are watching right now. We are going to be explaining also why. Let's zoom in a little bit to the chart. Now, as far as you see, okay, we are watching many times this very nice RSI. It still remains the same. Of course, when we are swapping time frames, this is going to change a little bit, but remains the same regarding to the fact that we have the touching points, and of course we are gonna be watching another leg towards the downside, so we can confirm some kind of bullish divergence for this insane move yet to come. So what we are watching is that we need an establishing of this move right here for this to be a swing high. Now, we are not ready yet. We don't know if the next move is confirmed or not, or if it's going to pump all the way up to the 2200, where was the point we're actually targeting from before. And we have been also mentioning for the Telegram group. So all the people that they are working right there, you can see very nicely. We are also mentioning the fact that the 2200 was the level that we have been watching in case this move was about to get accomplished. Now, this move technically is done with the fact that the RSI has been topped for one more time. If RSI will break, this is going to be the most bullish thing ever happen for the Ethereum price after so long. So due to the merge of the ETH regarding to the fundamental side, maybe we could see this breaking towards the upper side. However, R. Williams R is also pretty much stopped, and some kind of bearish divergence scenario could be the case right now. So is it going to break towards the downside? So let's zoom in. We are going to be going directly to the 4-hour chart to check out what we have right here. As far as you can see, this penanting very nicely towards the upper side. This rising wedge could easily break and of course bring us where? That's the thing that I was pointing before. So all the things are coming in perfect alignment with this very nice move. If this is going to break towards the downside, the most likely to happen is that this is the last chance for the long trade that I'm going to actually scale up inside here for an insane swing move for the Ethereum. So if things are going to this direction and this very nice support is breaking, the most likely to happen is that we are going to come to test this kind of area. Now, if this is not going to hold for any reason and it breaks towards the downside, it's going to be horrifying for everyone. It's going to be terrible in case you are not a bear. So if you are a bear, of course, things are going to look great. But what I'm pointing, if this is going to break, if this area is not going to hold eventually, what I'm targeting is much lower prices, and we are going to be explaining, of course, in further videos. If in case this happens, we are going to be notifying you. We are going to be giving you all of this very nice content we are sharing every time. Please, guys, I think takes nothing from your time to just go smash this like button. It's really everything for us. It's everything we are working for. We don't ask money. We don't ask anything. We'll never contact you. If you guys going to join the CryptoMinder Academy, is working the past years, insane things are happening right there. Insane traders are coming out from this academy, and especially crypto traders, something you cannot find out in the market. We are specialized on the crypto, and of course we are doing everything. We are writing books over crypto, and of course we are gonna be also sharing all of this nice knowledge with you guys. Now, as far as you can see, what I'm pointing at is this specific area. Now, look at this now, guys. In case this is retracing towards the upper side right now, and this is like the short-term long area, what I'm pointing at, the price target is still remains to the approximately 2200 up here, and yes, could spike over 2004. Now, why I'm saying it could spike? It could spike because this is technically when something is breaking from a rising wedge to the upper side, the most likely to happen is that you will have an insane move, a very volatile move, and yes, it's gonna leave parabolic in case this is happening, and that's what I know so far. Well, the biggest resistance still remains the 2400. Major level to watch is, of course, this insane move that comes from so far, as far as you can see right here. Yes, is like when I'm pointing at this, I actually get chills because it's so big thing what is happening. Okay, so like be cautious. It could happen. It could go all the way up. Doesn't seem like it. The green area right here on the daily looks bullish, is good, but we could have a kind of retracement before we lead up there. Now, let's go a little bit back to the 2000 to the 4-hour chart and let's actually check to what the fib has to say right here. Okay, so what we are pointing at is the area 0.5, 0.618 is the area we are targeting at. And of course, if this leg is gonna play out with a very nice bull flag scenario, could be beautiful. Now, of course, this could like retrace and go all the way up, but we should see a kind of resistance line playing out at this point. So this is what I'm targeting right now, and this is what I'm saying, that this could be a very nice important move in my opinion, and I need to breathe from this thing because things are looking still logic for the Ethereum. And of course, this, if this could go all the way towards the upper side, it could take us all the way up and break most likely even the 2240, where is my next price target. However, if you start, guys, entering right here, this is not a financial advice, you could get a decent 43% up moving this, like multiplied by your leverage 5, 6, 7 or whatever it is. I wouldn't go so high leveraged right here, is a very nice territory what I'm pointing at, and you can have more than 200% profits. It's actually insane. So be cautious, and this is what we are checking out for the Ethereum price right now. Regarding the technical side, we're not sitting to analyze so much the fundamental side, and the Ethereum merge that is coming very, very, very soon. I hope you appreciate the content. I hope you appreciate the insane update we gave you, and we will speak in the next of the CryptoMinder for further. Thank you so much for watching. See you the next one. Bye bye.